Meet Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Anthropic's most intelligent model yet and the world's first hybrid reasoning AI. Let's break down what makes it revolutionary. Unlike other AI models, Claude 3.7 Sonnet gives you two modes in one. Need a quick response? No problem. Need deep, step-by-step reasoning? It's got you covered with visible thinking processes that let you see exactly how it reaches conclusions. Developers get unprecedented control. Set exactly how many tokens Claude can use for thinking, balancing speed against thoroughness. The numbers don't lie. On Swebench Verified, which tests real-world software problem-solving, Claude 3.7 Sonnet outperforms all competitors with a 63.7% score that jumps to 70.3% in high compute mode. On Taubench, which tests complex real-world tasks with tool interactions, Claude again takes the lead, outperforming models from OpenAI, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Across instruction-following reasoning, multimodal capabilities, and coding, Claude 3.7 consistently outperforms the competition, with its extended thinking providing a significant boost in math and science. And that's not all. Meet Claude Code, Anthropic's first agentic coding tool. It can search and edit code, write tests, commit to GitHub, and use command-line tools while keeping you in control. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is available now on all Claude plans, Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI at the same price as previous models. Claude 3.7 Sonnet represents a major leap toward AI that truly augments human capabilities. Try it today and experience the future of AI reasoning. Visit Anthropic.com to learn more and see what you can build with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more AI breakthroughs, tutorials, and insider updates on the latest Claude capabilities. Stay ahead of the curve with us.